Alright guys, so if you want this model right here, then make sure to go into the description, click the first link, subscribe to the email list in order to receive the link to this model, guys. With that being said, enjoy. Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video right here. In today's giveaway video, I have a Jet Culverin for you to present. Okay, so this model right here, I'm honest with you, might not look that good when it comes to the facts overall, but I just wanted to demonstrate to you guys within the following tutorial video how this thing right here is done, because back then when I've dropped the Gear 5 video, you guys have probably, I don't know, maybe somewhere read it that I wanted to do a Snake Man video, and I think I've also done a Snake Man video, but I wanted to create the Snake Man moves, and I haven't till today. Okay, and one of the main reasons was because I didn't know at that time how this Jet Culverin right here was made. I had a broad idea, I've tried to do it, but I wasn't really able to fulfill it, and now I'm here. I've looked into it and I was able to find out a way on how to create this Jet Culverin right here, and I'm going to present you the way step by step within the next tutorial video, guys. Now, I'm also planning on creating a full Gear 4 Snake Man transformation tutorial and a moveset tutorial as well. So if you want to see something like that, then make sure to subscribe, like, turn on the bell, comment. With that being said, guys, enjoy.